Hello everybody, Minecraft Silk here, and I'm with Chris, and I'm also with Sam again, and yeah, I'm not even going to start talking about last episode, and anyway, beside the point of that, we're doing Chateau, as I currently got corrected by Sam, didn't I?
Yes, because I'm just so clever.
Yep, well, he thinks he is. Anyway, right, okay, so, Chateau, and we're doing it on normal. Wait. Is there no random person? Oh. Should we just wait like a second or something? No? Yes? Maybe?
Yeah,
Yay!
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
Okay, okay. Oh, he's gonna be a ghost. Too bad, because I'm starting it.
I'm a spooky ghost.
No, you're not. You're a Muppet.
Oh,
Well, you know if you want to be heard, you have to speak up.
Hello. There's a ghost there. He's got boots. Follow the boots.
I don't like... Follow the boots and hat. I'm sure he will lead us in a good direction.
There's just a floating torch. Oh my god. Run away!
Chris, you're in my way, you Muppet.
I'm mopping.
Oh my god, it's glasses. What the hell is this? It's just boots and a hat floating. Guys, move out of the way. I can't see. Look at that.
Oh, it's a shadow. Look at his shadow above his head.
Of what, on the tree?
Yeah. It's his hat, but it's above.
Hey guys, come on, let's go before we get our swiped. Come on.
Can we just leave him and make him die?
No, he'll probably get himself killed anyway. Yeah, tape recorder's quite loud on mine, so. Wait a second, where the fuck is it? Where is it? I can hear it, I can't see it. Oh, it must be on the other side of this. The fudge? Where the fudgies is it?
It's louder over here. There it is. Oh, I just got it.
Oh! Somebody lead the way first, go on.
This way.
Yes, I agree. Whatever way you're going, yes.
Follow the elephant road.
I'm going this way just for the hell of it for a second. 1, 2. Hello. Hi, flag it. You're right, Chrissy, my boy. Skelety. Skelety laddie.
I'm watching you, boy.
No, you're not. Shut up. Whoa! Oh! He's behind you. Oh, Jesus, there's a rock. Not funny. Oh my gosh. Why
I
so...
saw him, then I turned around, saw the invisible guy, and I got scared again.
Oh my god, what's the point in invisible people? I mean, is it just a replica of a ghost, but in human form? Or something? It's so creepy. Well, I want a good torch so I can have a proper good look round without falling out. I don't like this map. Yeah, this episode, unfortunately, it's only going to be 15 or 10 minutes long. And trust me, I don't want to go through the hassle of taking 3 hours to upload it again.
Hey guys, that's so right.
Oh, gosh. Jesus. Mothers, cheeses, whatever. Run. Just run. Oh, God.
Oh my god, Jesus!
Oh, God. Where do we go? Fucking hell.
I don't know, I hate this map. Why did you pick it?
I don't know. Last time, I just pressed RB at the end of the video and it just pricked Chateau. Oh, what the fuck?
Right, I have an idea. I'll sacrifice myself for you guys.
No, don't sacrifice.
No!
Everyone flash your torch at him. It'll blind him. Hey, we're flashing our torches at you, bitch.
Okay, I'm running away.
No! Hey, Jason, chase after him. Ghosty. Oh, there you are. Hey, Ghosty. How you doing, bruv?
Oh, thanks. Oh, what if he dies and he goes into a ghost? And he's like, oh, he's right there. Do not look left.
Whoa! Oh my gosh. Dude, why didn't you say that any sooner? Oh my god, what is wrong with him?
What the hell?
Dude, is he like more advanced or something? What the fuck? What is fucking wrong with him? Jesus.
Why did you pick normal difficulty?
I don't know, it's what it just was. Hang on a second, we're going in circles. We need to turn and go this direction, I suppose.
Wait, we're on 2, and we are already being trapped, so we should be on half.
Hey, how many tape recorders do we have?
2.
Do we have 2? Oh my god. Oh god.
Oh,
Hey, don't sacrifice yourself. Don't. Oh my god, he's right behind the tree.
Oh my god, he's right there behind that tree.
Oh my god, he just teleported away. Don't bother sacrificing yourself again, or I will do it. I swear to God. Oh my God! Oh, guys, you scared me for a second, then I thought I was on myself. Whoa!
I got a message, guys.
Dude, I wouldn't read the message. He's right there.
I'm running away from this freaking glide.
Oh, dude, don't leave me! Don't leave me!
Dude, I'm right behind you. I'm dead. Oh my god! Oh my god! Run away! Run away!
Here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here.
I'm running towards.
No, come here, follow me, follow me, follow me.
Oh! Oh, stop.
Go, follow me, follow me, follow me. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh, that's just a floating hat. And it's a ghost and it's a floating
Yeah, it's
hat.
basically a ghost form of a floating hat. It's a ghost form of a ghost form, basically. Oh my god. Hey, Ghosty, come on. Come on, Ghosties. Come on, go. Oh my god, we're back here again. What the fudge? Are you serious?
Turn left a bit. Turn left a bit.
Wait, hang on, that's what I'm trying to... Oh my god! Is everything teleporting in this game? Because you can't go anywhere. What the fudge? What are the cheeses on tomato ketchup? What the hell? I don't like this map.
No, I don't either. There's too many balls as well. Look,
Yeah, there's too many trees. That's why they call it the woods. Duh.
It's called Castle though. Look at her. Look at it.
Ah, it's me! Woo!
Finally found it on tape. Oh no, someone's already collected this one. Oh my god, he's right behind you! He's right behind you.
Shut up. Dude, are you behind me? I want you behind me, not him.
Yeah, I am.
Alright.
Wow, that was this.
Oh no!
Oh my god, wall.
Oh shit.
Oh fuck, we're cornered.
Follow me. Dude, what the fuck is wrong with him? No, dude, there's no point in sacrificing yourself anyway. I don't, because it will just die quicker. Might as well just stay alive. Just follow me. Follow me. Stay next to me. Stay next to me.
Actually, I can see that this is the end of the wall. Wait, there's the gate.
My god.
Can we just say like fuck you, kick open the gate and just run away?
No.
That's messed up. Oh.
Well, oh, maybe if you have an actual thing that can bust that gate open, then maybe yeah.
How about we just throw the ghost there?
How about we just sacrifice ourselves to open the gate and the ghost can get out at least?
Yeah, thank you guys. So helpful.
No, I can't see anything.
It's a big turd. Guys, it's not a big turd. Tape recorder, guys. Tape recorder. It's here.
Let's go, come on.
I haven't actually completed this yet, have you guys?
No. Once I got all 8 recorders and something really weird happens.
Yeah, 8 recorders, but we didn't get to 9.
Oh, we hit the tunnel, my bobby. Hang on, shouldn't there be some windmills somewhere next to this tunnel? I swear there is.
Oh, are there?
Oh, tape recorder, tape recorder, tape recorder, tape recorder.
I've never been here before. I've never thought of it.
Let's go, come on. What's wrong with the music? Stop it! You're freaking me out.
You're making this harder than it Like, suddenly it goes, boom. If that was in real life, that's all you would hear behind you the whole time.
Oh my god, he's right there. He's like right behind you. I'd watch out. Oh, is he still there?
Run away. Run away, what?
Oh god. Where is he there? Is he still there? Is he still there? Oh my god, he's still there. Oh, my screen's all white. Help me.
I'm just gonna run away.
Oh my god, I'm making my screen really white.
We're running into a tree.
Oh my god! Oh god! Ah! No, 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 no!
Why did you stare at him like seriously? Did at least try and look away? Oh god, me alone on my... Oh my... It's up to me, guys.
I wanted to get myself killed at the beginning, like when I actually saw him just a second ago, and I was kind of getting debated if I should or shouldn't actually. So that was kind of a bit of a fail, but oh well, who cares?
Look, it's the half girl, half
Yeah, dude, you're dead by the way, because you're on yourself, you know, right? Go on, dude, you know, we love you too. What's wrong with the ghost? Jesus Christ. I think the ghost has a disturgent or something. He's missing half his bloody body.
I know. Probably got 8 by now. I can do this.
Oh, stop it!
He's going through me.
Dude, we're following you, dude.
He's right behind me! He's right behind me! Literally.
I don't see anything. I think you're making. I think you're lying. I think you're lying.
The ghost can't see him. The ghost can't see him.
Yeah, you can. I can see him. He's a tree. No, no response. Okay, fine. Well, I personally think he's a tree. That's basically a replica of Thingy-Mobobby.
Okay, he's still behind me.
Yeah.
Yes, he is.
All right, laddie. We'll keep you safe.
You lads is on. I turn around, he's not there, then he just flashes right in front of my face.
Good. You deserve to not die.
You deserve to live and die.
Oh, Ali, no, disconnected. What a shame. He was a zombie anyway.
What a zombie?
Yeah, he was a zombie. Well, he's a zombie now, so screw you. Ow.
Oh, screw you. Look, he's in front of me! How the hell did he get there? I'm running into the wall.
Oh, I thought you died for a second then. Oh, Jesus. You're still alive.
Oh, God, that's
Bloody
yeah.
hell.
How is this happening? I'm the longest surviving one.
Are you Elvis Presley character?
Take me!
Hello! 4 out of 8. Could be worse.
Oh, well. Look at that, not too bad.
Oh yeah, 9 minutes 57.
Yeah.
Booyaka! Oh my god, that was so shit.
We all found one.
Oh, come on. What the fuck? Why am I last? What is this shit?
I screamed more. I screamed twice. And a replay. I only died because I actually wish I did that. We just went round in circles for a bit. Oh.
Wow.
We survived for quite a long time though.
Yeah, it could be worse. I could be at the very top, you know. It could be a lot worse. I am the best at this. No, I'm not. Actually, I tell you what. I'm just so epic. I died because I had a disturgent and I was like worried if I should or shouldn't die. I mean, if you haven't realised, I've been recording for 15 minutes, you know, right? Hey look, there's a purple line, where did that come from? Well, can you not see that all the grey and blue lines are red and then the purple lines going on the screen? Ah, we all died, what a shame. And we missed the whole bottom right hand corner of the game. What is I'm just heartbeating. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed. The next map is drumroll please. Okay, that's enjoyed it, bloody hell. Right, next map is random location. Yeah, no it's not. Alright, next map is gonna be Isla Grande, whatever the fuck you call that. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed and alright, thanks Chris. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in my next episode.